Sleeping out under the stars is one of our favorite ways to unwind, and unlike backpacking, front country camping allows for the full comfort outdoor experience without the worry over pack weights and size. And with that, one of the first pieces of kit we splurge on is the perfect camping mattress. There are many camping mattresses to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best camping mattresses from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Xbed Megamat Mattresses. When comfort is your main concern, the Xbed Megamat Duo 10 is your answer. What it lacks in pack size and affordability, it more than makes up for in size and comfort with 4 of foam and air cradling you and yours off to sleep. And while some double camping mattresses or sleeping pads perpetually send one partner for a ride when the other moves, the Megamat Duo is stable and quiet. As with all self-inflating pads, expect to top it off after heavy use. But instead of having to blow into it, you can use the included mini pump, which simplifies inflation and minimizes effort. It also includes a repair kit should you ever get a tear. One of our favorite things about this pad is how level it is. Some camping mattresses pop up in the middle when filled, but thanks to the 3D construction, this bad boy stays flat even when fully inflated and being slept on. At 77.6 inches long and 52 inches wide, the Megamat is large enough to snugly fit 2 adults or spaciously sleep 1. Number 2. Big Agnes Captain Comfort Deluxe. The new Big Agnes Captain Comfort Deluxe Camp Pad is the warmest and coziest from the brand, pumping out an 8R value and 5 inches of foam core comfort. We loved kicking back on this pad during a recent testing trip to Joshua Tree National Park, where cold desert nights sent us running to our bags once the sun went down. Luckily, the impressive warmth of the Captain Comfort bounced our body heat right back at us, ensuring a toasty night. Constructed with a foam core construction, this self-inflator will keep you a full 5 inches off the ground, and thanks to the vertical sidewalls, you can use every inch of the sleeping surface. We also truly appreciated the dual pull tab valves during inflation and deflation, as well as the oversized side opening stuff sack, no more fighting to stuff it back in. Compared to other similar mattresses like the Therm Arrest Mondocking 3D or the Nemo Roamer XL, the Captain Comfort does edge both when it comes to warmth and at a trade-off when it comes to weight. Number 3. Climate Climaloft Mattresses. The Climate Climaloft adds a supremely soft foam topper to the upper 2/3 of the pad, and we aren't lying when we say this pad just felt good to sink into. By using a combination of air and foam construction, the Climaloft straddles the line between comfort and packability, compressing down to a respectable 8-inch x 11.5-inch cylinder. We greatly appreciated being able to bring along such a small package without sacrificing any comfort to do so. Since it's an air mattress first, the pad won't self-inflate much, and you'll need to do some of the heavy lifting. Thankfully, the pad is compatible with Climate's USB rechargeable pump, a little device that we've come to love for quick inflation while setting up camp. Number 4. Therm Arrest Luxury Map Sleeping Pad. Do you like a good memory foam mattress? Let us introduce you to the Therm Arrest Luxury Map Sleeping Pad with 3 inches of air and engineered foam that provide plenty of cushioning for a good night's sleep, all at a palatable price. The horizontal core foam is designed to pack up easily and is mapped out in such a way as to provide more support in the areas that will see the most weight. We learned the hard way one night that these foam baffles make for a lumpy, uncomfortable surface if not fully inflated. When topped off, however, this pad rivals any hotel bed for comfort. At 3 inches thick, this mattress has become one of our favorites to pair with a camping cot, as it isn't too tall to make us feel off balance when stacked atop a cot. Compared to the Therm Arrest Base Camp Sleeping Pad, which is 2 inches thick, it's fairly impressive just how much more comfortable an extra inch can be, and we'll say confidently that this is just about the sweet spot for thickness when it comes to camping pads. Number 5. Nemo Roamer Mattresses. Anyone who's ever called their car home will appreciate the Nemo Roamer XL. This is the ultimate adventure mobile mattress. It's thick and warm, and it's seriously comfortable. With 4 inches of open cell foam, you can sleep soundly wherever home happens to be. If you're settling in for the long haul at a remote base camp, the Roamer XL is the mattress to do it with. As with most self-inflating pads, you'll need to top it off for maximum comfort. But the micro-adjust valve makes it easy to add air without worrying about losing any. And we liked how the one-way valves make quick work of deflating the pad fully when it's time to pack up camp. Traditional air mattresses are thin and more susceptible to tears, but with the foam construction and a 75 denier polyester bottom, the Roamer XL is truly built to withstand camping outside. As an additional perk, the loops and toggles on the side allow you to connect 2 roamers to create a 2-person mattress. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.